Welcome to Olympus Chronicles. Tonight, we invite you to journey into the depths of the underworld, where the enigmatic god Hades rules with an iron will and a secret heart. What makes Hades so endlessly captivating? Is it the chilling power of death itself, or the misunderstood layers beneath his somber facade? As you settle in, let us unravel the dark truth about Hades, an ancient tale of power, betrayal, and a love that defies the boundaries of mortality. This is a story told to lull you into a reflective slumber, inviting your mind to wander through the mysteries of ancient Greece, to fall asleep to. Long before the age of mortals, in the primordial mists of time, there emerged three brothers destined to shape the cosmos. Hades, often cast in shadow, was not merely the lord of the dead, but a keeper of balance between life and the afterlife. In our ancient lore, while his brothers Zeus and Poseidon claimed the heavens and the seas, Hades inherited the silent, haunting realm beneath. Imagine a world where the whispers of souls echo through marble corridors, and the eternal river Styx flows like a lullaby for lost memories. As you listen, picture the sprawling, cavernous underworld illuminated by an eerie glow, a realm of quiet majesty where every corner holds a secret waiting to be revealed. Hades, far from being the malevolent figure history often paints, was entrusted with maintaining order in a place where chaos once reigned. Could it be that the true mystery of Hades lies in the misunderstood burden of his destiny? Deep within the underworld, where time seems to slow and every breath feels weighted with destiny, Hades presides over the souls of the departed. Here, amidst the silent procession of shades, legends whisper of a ruler who is as just as he is relentless. But what if there's more than meets the eye? Some ancient texts hint that Hades' stern demeanor masks a heart that has known both profound sorrow and fierce loyalty. As you ease into the story, consider the possibility that Hades' isolation was not a punishment, but a necessary safeguard for the balance between life and death. His rule was an eternal negotiation, ensuring that every soul found its rightful place. The dark corridors of his realm carry echoes of lost love and secret alliances, where even the gods tread lightly, wary of awakening the delicate equilibrium that Hades so meticulously maintained. At the heart of Hades' legend is a tale of forbidden love, a romance that defied both mortal and divine decree. The story of Persephone, the radiant maiden who became the queen of the underworld, is not merely one of abduction and despair, but one of transformation and rebirth. Some ancient theories suggest that their union was less about cruelty and more about a profound, if tragic, communion between two souls divided by fate. Imagine Hades, often depicted as cold and unyielding, secretly yearning for connection, a vulnerability hidden beneath layers of divine duty. As you relax into this narrative, let your thoughts drift to the quiet moments when the underworld was not a realm of eternal gloom, but a sanctuary where the echoes of love and loss intermingled. Was Hades, in his own way, the guardian of both death and the fragile beauty of a love that bridged two worlds? Throughout the centuries, the portrayal of Hades has oscillated between tyrant and tragic figure. Yet, as you listen, consider that his true legacy may lie in his steadfast commitment to balance, a duty that required sacrifice beyond the comprehension of mortal hearts. His darkness is not one of malevolence, but of responsibility, a burden that he bore in silence as the weight of the underworld pressed upon him. The dark truth about Hades, then, is not a tale of wickedness, but of misunderstood complexity. It is a story where duty and destiny converge, where the silence of the underworld speaks louder than the clamor of the living world. As you let these words wash over you, allow your mind to wander through the labyrinth of ancient truths, each turn revealing another facet of a god whose story is as eternal as the stars above. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of Greek mythology. We hope the story of Hades, with its intricate layers of sorrow, duty, and hidden compassion, has given you a moment of reflective tranquility. As the tales of ancient Greece echo through time, may you find comfort in the idea that even in darkness there is a light, a quiet, enduring hope that shines from the depths of the underworld. Stay with us for more legendary journeys into the past.